Okay guys, I thought I would share just from prepping when we go to do something kind of last minute, had maybe in our minds that what we were doing, and the blessing of having food ready when you're ready to do something like this. So there is something going on at 4, and then I think afterwards we might drive through this other thing that's going on. I don't know. I'm going to take you guys along. But I'm going to share with you food first, and then you'll see all the places that we go. So I prepped here the roast. This was going to be for supper, so I cut up some of the roast for people to eat. Mashed potatoes, I just popped these in the microwave. I need to stir these now and pop them back in. Salad here. So currently the kids are getting paper plates we're doing, and so I put the meat on the plates for the younger kids, and they're getting their own salad. And then I'm going to stir up those potatoes. Everyone was asked to get their scarves, hats, mittens, and put them in the other room so they'll be all ready and we're not digging for things at the end. And then people are getting stuff ready for Azariah. I'm going to finish with this food stuff, and then I'll get my homemade hot cocoa ready, and there's going to be free hot cocoa. So I might end up grabbing myself a cup of this and then letting the kids get the free hot cocoa there. Sometimes it's just difficult. I want it to be a little bit cooler. I don't want to be carrying Azariah and holding something really hot. So I'll just serve mine here, and then we'll save that for later. Either later tonight or another day. You can actually put hot cocoa in the refrigerator and then warm it up again. It works out fine. Yeah. We're gonna go to the Christmas tree lighting. Do you wanna go? Huh? Do you wanna go? And then we'll go see lights. We'll drive around some neighborhoods and see lights. Does that sound fun? Yeah. Look at him sitting so big. Whoa! Big boy. Huh. Big boy holding yourself up. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to a Christmas tree lighting.
It's not horrible, so you can go stand by the fire and get born, like everybody else is doing.
You're gonna dip it in. So due to copyright issues, I'm going to put the full video of the caroling over on our Large Family Adventures
Go
site.
Run, Golden back. You can't jump the fence. Come over this way.
So fun, guys. It's kind of like Hallmarky, Christmassy type vibe here. We went to that, which was really exciting, and we are going to go off this evening to I guess there might be lights by Ogunquit footbridge. I'm going to check that out, and then I think we're going to do this drive-through thing. It says like you can drive through, it was in the little newspaper that you could drive through in Berwick and turn your radio onto a certain station, and they'd play like Christmas music or whatever, like to go through the neighborhoods. I don't know, something like that. It sounded really cool, so I don't know. We're gonna check out some things. If it doesn't work, then that's fine, but if it does, cool. It was really sweet. As soon as we arrived, they came up to us and they were like, hey, do you want some hot cocoa and cookies? They had cookies, donuts, hot cocoa. So that was really sweet. I guess it was like put on between the Shores Church and the town of Wells, and oh my goodness, it was like everyone and anyone could sing in there. It was like, wow. We're in Ogunquit and we are going to go on the footbridge. I was gonna leave Azariah in the van, but I think that he might actually like the lights, so let's go see. What do you think?
It's cool.
Mm-hmm. So we're actually walking over, I think it's like an inlet of the ocean. It's hard to see. I think Wells is that way. I know Wells is that way over there. And then York, maybe this way? I'm not quite sure. I know Wells. Whatever that is that way, because we're over that way, like by the harbor. That's kind of just where we were, and so yeah, we're by the harbor is where we were caroling. So then this is just the next town over, really. So pretty. So fun little stop.
that up there, the lights blue or whatever, or the lights.
Phone in the ocean, that would have been interesting.
We should run up and see if it like all turns lights up over on the beach.
I didn't even see you there. Yeah, I should go check.
I have somebody trying to get their driving permit, so they were driving in night hours. It was perfect for night hours, but then when we got to this here, I wasn't quite sure how it was set up, but I was like, okay, there was a car coming at us. I said, let me switch places with you real quick, because we weren't quite sure how that was. So then we just drove through it. It was small, but it was cute. It was like somebody's house, pretty much a long driveway. They handed out the kids like little Santa hats to like go in the thing, and so yeah, it was really cute. This is about it right here, but they did a good job with it. And so they do it to raise donations for the food pantry, which is really kind of cool. I did not know that when I went to go there, but I think what I might do is keep a bag in my car, and then next time when I head to Fiddlehead Market, like drop it off. So yeah. YouTube has been really stringent lately. If there's any bit of music, they have like demonetized my videos because of the music. So I completely muted this section out, but it was so cute just to hear the kids, like, just imagine them like laughing and giggling or whatever. They were having fun, but I did have the music on that was for this place. You could turn the radio on and it would be the music to go to this place, and they were just laughing and having fun. It was actually Grandma got run over by a reindeer, and some of them had not heard that before, so they thought it was hilarious. So then we drove back home and had a second supper. Some people wanted to eat again. We ate really early. The other things started at 4, and I already had the roast ready, so I was like, if you guys want, we can eat before we go, because I knew it would be late. We usually eat between like around 4:30 and 5. So yeah, we came back and ate again. Thanks for watching. This was a really enjoyable evening, and it was all free. It was just little free local activities that were happening in our community. Check out your newspapers or library and ask them what are they doing free in their neighborhood or in that neighborhood, and maybe you can find some really cool things free in your area as well.